Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've just gotten your hands on the exciting new Citi Strata card, you're probably eager to start using it for travel rewards, everyday purchases, and more. But hold on, before you swipe or tap, you need to activate it. Don't worry, it's a quick and straightforward process that only takes a few minutes. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps so you can get your card ready to go in no time. First things first, why activate your card? Activation is essential for security purposes. It ensures that only you can use the card, protecting you from any unauthorized transactions. Plus, once activated, you'll unlock all the perks like earning thank you points on every purchase. Let's dive into the methods. The most common way is online. Head over to the Citi website at citibank.com. You'll need to log in to your Citi account using your username and password. If you don't have an account yet, you might need to set one up quickly. Once logged in, look for the Activate Card section, usually under your account dashboard. Enter your card details, like the 16-digit card number and the CVV, then follow the on-screen prompts to confirm. Boom! Your card is activated. If you're not a fan of online steps, you can activate via phone. Just flip your card over and find the toll-free customer service number on the back. Call it, and a representative will guide you through a simple verification process. They'll ask for your card number, some personal info for security, and that's it. Another easy option is the Citi mobile app. If you haven't downloaded it yet, grab it from your app store. Log in with your credentials, go to the card section, and select Activate Now. It's super user-friendly and perfect for on-the-go activation. A quick tip. Make sure you have your card handy with all the necessary details, and double-check for any activation codes or emails from Citi. If you run into any issues, like an error message, contact Citi support right away. They're available 24/7. There you have it, folks. Activating your Citi Strata card is simple and gets you one step closer to maximizing your rewards. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and happy spending.